Welcome back to A to Z Vocabulary, where we learn 10 new words every day, one letter at a time. It's day 5, and today we're exploring the exciting world of the letter E. Our first word is eager. It is an adjective that describes a person's feeling or behavior. It means feeling excited and ready to do something. When someone is eager, they are full of excitement and can't wait for something to happen. It's that I'm ready right now feeling. Let's use it in sentences. She was eager to open her birthday gift. She was very excited and couldn't wait to see what was inside. The students were eager to go on the field trip. The students were happy and excited to start their trip. Our second word is eagerly. It is an adverb. It describes how someone does something in a way that shows excitement or strong interest. When you do something eagerly, you do it with a lot of energy and interest because you can't wait. Let's use it in sentences. He eagerly raised his hand to answer the question. He was so excited to answer that he raised his hand quickly, ready to speak. They eagerly waited for the concert to start. They were so excited for the concert that they couldn't stop watching the time. Our third word is elegant. It is an adjective. It describes how something or someone looks or feels. Elegant means graceful, stylish, or beautifully simple. When something is elegant, it's not just pretty. It's classy, graceful, and pleasing to look at. Let's use it in sentences. She wore an elegant dress to the party. Her dress was not just nice. It was graceful and stylish, making her stand out. The hotel had an elegant design with white curtains and gold lights. The hotel looked beautiful and classy, with stylish decorations that felt special. Our fourth word is envy. It is a noun. It names a feeling or emotion. Envy means the feeling of wanting what someone else has. When you feel envy, you wish you could have the same thing, talent, or opportunity that someone else does. She looked at her friend's new shoes with envy. She really liked those shoes and wished she had the same pair. He envied his brother's drawing skills. He wished he could draw as well as his brother. Our fifth word is exaggerate. It is a verb. That means it's an action word. It means to make something seem bigger, better, worse, or more extreme than it really is. In simple words, when you exaggerate, you stretch the truth to make something sound more dramatic or exciting. Let's use it in sentences. He exaggerated the size of the fish he caught. He made the fish seem way bigger than it really was. Don't exaggerate, it wasn't that scary. He exaggerated how scary the haunted house was. It was only a little spooky, but he made it sound super scary. Our sixth word is enormous. It is an adjective. That means it describes a noun, like a person, place, thing, or animal. It means very, very big in size. In simple words, when something is enormous, it's way bigger than normal. Let's use enormous in sentences. They built an enormous sandcastle at the beach. The sandcastle was much bigger than the usual small ones kids make. It was tall, wide, and detailed. The cake at the wedding party was enormous. The wedding cake was huge, with multiple layers and beautiful decorations. Our next word is expose. It is a verb. That means it's an action word. It means to reveal or to uncover something hidden. In simple words, when you expose something, you make it visible or known to others. Let's use it in sentences. The sun exposed the hidden colors of the painting. When the sunlight shone on the painting, colors that were not visible before became bright and clear. The reporter exposed the truth about the missing money. The reporter revealed the secret information about where the money went. Our eighth word is errand. It is a noun. That means it names a thing. It means a short trip taken to do a specific task, usually outside the home. In simple words, an errand is when you quickly go somewhere to get or do something. Let's use it in sentences. She ran an errand to buy bread from the store. She went out quickly to get bread and then came back. He went out on an errand to mail a letter. He made a quick trip to the post office to send a letter. Our ninth word is empathy. It is a noun. That means it names a thing. It means the ability to understand and share how someone else's feelings. In simple words, empathy is when you can imagine how another person feels, almost like stepping into their shoes. Let's use it in sentences. She showed empathy when her friend was upset. She understood her friend's sadness and cared enough to be there for them. Out of empathy, she shared her lunch with a homeless boy. She understood how hungry and lonely he must feel, so she wanted to help. Our last E word today is endure. It is a verb. That means it's an action word. Endure means to suffer through something difficult without giving up. It means to keep going, even when something is very hard or uncomfortable. When you endure, you stay strong and don't give up, no matter how tough it gets. Let's use it in sentences. The athlete endured exhaustion to finish the race. Even though he was tired, he kept running until he crossed the finish line. The hikers endured the cold night in their tent. Even though it was freezing, they stayed in their tent and made it through until morning. Okay, it's time for our quiz challenge. Let's test how well you remember today's E words. I'll give you a question with 4 options. You pick the best answer. Which situation best shows empathy? A. Laughing when someone trips. B. Listening and comforting a friend who failed a test. C. Ignoring a crying child. D. Criticizing someone for making a mistake. The correct answer is B. Listening and comforting a friend who failed a test. What does it mean to exaggerate a story? A. To repeat it exactly as it happened. B. To tell it quietly. C. To make it sound bigger or more dramatic than it really was. D. To forget some parts of it. The correct answer is C. To make it sound bigger or more dramatic than it really was. If something is described as enormous, what is it? A. Very small. B. Unbelievably large. C. Very common. D. Easy to carry. The correct answer is B. Unbelievably large. Which is the best example of endure? A. Stopping a run after feeling tired. B. Complaining about homework. C. Smiling through a long, hot day of volunteer work. D. Avoiding a challenge. The correct answer is B. Smiling through a long, hot day of volunteer work. Which is the best example of an errand? A. Writing a book. B. Taking a quick trip to the store to buy milks. Sleeping late on a Sunday. D. Reading a novel in the park. The correct answer is B. Taking a quick trip to the store to buy milk. How did you do? Count your correct answers and share your score in the comments. See you tomorrow for the letter F.